In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Walmart employee account in 25 with a simple step-by-step guide. If you're a Walmart associate trying to access your employee portal for tasks like checking your schedule, reviewing your pay stub, or managing your benefits, this video is for you. First, let's start by visiting a crucial website for Walmart employees, the One Walmart portal. This is your go-to site if you want to manage your employment information online. To get started, open your preferred web browser. That could be Chrome, Firefox, or whichever one you're comfortable with. Next, type in the URL for the One Walmart portal in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the main login page, which is where you'll input your credentials. Once you're on the One Walmart portal's homepage, you'll see fields for entering your user ID. This is a unique identifier assigned to you by Walmart and is necessary for accessing the site. Be sure to type it in carefully to avoid any login issues. If you're not sure what your user ID is, it may be a good idea to check any recent communication from your HR department or consult with your manager. After entering your user ID, you'll need to specify your work details. The portal requires you to select your country or region from a drop-down menu. Here, you'll choose where you are employed, which helps the system direct you to the correct resources and information. Once that's done, move to the next option, which is selecting your work location. Similar to choosing your region, this step ensures that you are directed to the exact subset of portals that pertain to your specific store or area. Accuracy here is key, as it helps tailor the available resources and updates you receive. Now that everything's filled out neatly, take a moment to review the information. Double check your user ID and make sure you've selected the right country and location. This extra bit of caution can save you from having to go back and make corrections. Finally, with all the information verified, go ahead and click that sign in button. With any luck and accurate input, you should be successfully logged into your Walmart employee account. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, such as forgetting your user ID or facing technical issues, don't hesitate to contact Walmart's employee support. They are equipped to assist you and will guide you through resolving any login problems. And that's all there is to it. Logging into your Walmart employee account is straightforward once you know the steps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or want more tips about managing your employee portal effectively.